It's a great opportunity that we got here at the Henry Moses Aquatic Center. They were able to allow the dogs to come in. They do their pooch plunge on the weekend, so I was able to facilitate our regional canine to come in here. It's more of an environmental opportunity for the dogs. We don't get a lot of water exposure. We don't get a lot of tile work with the dogs. Some high fines for the dogs. It's a good opportunity for the handler to see what their dog will and will not do and what they need to work on. The goal is to find where that happy medium is with the dog. Your dog may be confident doing tracking, may be confident doing building searches. And then you get into water and the dog is confused because the dog is not quite sure what that surface of the water is. Some of these dogs, like my dog in particular, hasn't been in the water a whole lot. And so it's a great opportunity to see the limitations and the things that the dog needs to work on and the handler needs to work on. So, okay, this didn't work this time, I'll have to work on this on another time. So we have a lot of valley agencies. We have Auburn, we have Federal Way, we have Renton, and we have some King County dogs that have showed up for this training, and I think they're all getting a lot out of it and they seem to appreciate the opportunity.